If you've been trying to grow a small account of say $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $100 up to $500, but each time you try to trade to grow this money, you end up blowing your account, then this video is for you. If you are new to Quotex but have never left the demo account for the live account simply because you don't have a reliable trading strategy, then this video is for you. And this video is definitely for you if you're thinking about switching a broker from, let's say, Olymtrade to Quotex, Binomo to Quotex, or any other binary option trading platform that you are using, and want a smooth transition with guaranteed profits on the 1 minute trading duration. Watch this video to the end to learn this strategy and to also see how I used this strategy to grow my small account of $437 to $2,000 plus dollars. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I post more videos such as these ones, you will be the first one to get notified. And before I forget, we just reached 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and it is all because of you guys. If you are one of the subscribers learning binary options trading with this channel, make sure you click on that thumbs up. And let's see how many subscribers we have who are learning something new every day on this channel. And for those of you who have definitely learned something new from this channel, make sure you comment on this video and tell us how much you've made from the time you started watching my videos. See you after the pre-roll. Now today I'll be trading currency pairs, and I'll be trading with huge amounts because I want to grow this amount very fast. Remember, this is a 1 minute strategy, and we are trading on the 1 minute duration with the 10 seconds time frame. Let's place our first trade down for $337. Our new balance is $10. Remember, we are using the Donchian channel, the CCI indicator, and the RSI oscillator. These are common tools that we have in Quotex. In case you want to add them, you can just add them to your chart. Remember, the period for the Donchian channel is period 50. We leave the RSI as it is, and we leave the CCI indicator as it is. If you look at the chart, you notice that prices have already gone below the negative 100 level on the CCI, and they are approaching 30 level on the RSI. If you look at prices on the Donchian channel chart, you also notice that they have gone below the middle band, and that signifies lower prices. So let's give it a few seconds and see what happens to our trade. If we win this, we'll make 630 from that. And our new balance is 730. We've just won on the Euro JPY major forex pair. So let us switch to a different asset, change the trading amount to $700. Okay. So if we trade with $700, we'll have $30 left in this account. And should this lose, it means we are back to $30. If you look at the RSI and the CCI, they are both facing upwards, which means that prices can continue going upwards. However, if you look at the chart, you notice that prices have not been able to go past the lower high that was created last, and so I'm predicting that the market will continue going down even further. So in 1 minute we will see what happens to our trade. If we lose this, we will go back to $30, remember, and if we win this, we will get $1,260 from that trade. And we are almost losing a few seconds left, until the close of that trade. Go down. And we've won that. Let's replay that and see what happened to that trade, because for a second I thought that we'd lost that trade, but turns out that we just won by a whisker. That trade closed a few seconds before the market moved back upwards, and we are at $1,290. And since we are trying to grow this account, we'll trade with the $1,200 for the next trade. And for this trade, I wanted to trade on the USD EGP pair, that is the Egyptian currency. Let us trade on that, and since the local trend on this chart is downwards, we will trade down for the next 1 minute. Remember, the time frame for this chart is 10 seconds. The trade duration is 1 minute, and we keep on changing the investment amount based on how much we've won. I've just placed a down trade, but the market is going up rather. But if you look at the moving averages of the Donchian channel, they are both facing downwards, including the middle one. So let's give it a minute. If you look at CCI, it has started turning direction. It's going downwards. The RSI is also going downwards, which means that this might win. And if it wins, we will make 22.92 from that trade, plus the $90 that we have left in that account. We might just get to over $2,000. Let us wait for it. A few seconds left until this trade closes. In a few seconds, it will close, and it has closed in profits of $2,292. Our new balance is $2,382, and that's how you do it, guys. Use these simple tools that are available in Quotex. Use the Donchain channel, combine them with any other tools that you see on that chart. And if you do it right, you might just make it. Still curious about Quotex trading strategies or have any questions about this one? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, make sure you click on that like button and share this video with your friends and family. See you on the next video.